What if we go over there, we fall down and that's it?
No, we don't wanna fall down, no, because they are platforms there. Show the shot of all the birds or animals or anything we could catch.
Welcome to Daddy's YouTube channel.
Welcome everyone. Here I am one more time with
Noah Dominic.
yes, Noah. Noah's been grown up so much that I now have to take care of him over the bike behind me with me because now here in front is hard. He's now over 23 kilos. He's really big now. Thanks God. He's healthy, good boy. And well, that's the most important thing. With health, we got so much to do ahead in life. All right, guys, for those who don't know me, my name is Enrique Morris. I'm here to deliver and show you so much different place, natural shot drones, camera, etc. All right, guys, we are here not far away, but in the middle of the city of Santa Bárbara do Oeste. We try to review or show you guys shot of all the birds or animals or anything we could catch. We're passing the Ribeirão dos Toledos. Okay, folks, so let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see if we can put together all these images and footage for all of you folks. Stay tuned. Let's see what's gonna happen. All right, guys. Say no.
Look, I saw something.
What? Where? Where?
There it is ours.
Capybara, Noah. A huge one.
What?
A big horse in the middle of the city.
Yeah.
How cool is that?
Oh, I want to touch him. Oh, he's so cute.
Nice, eh?
Laughing into the mouth,
Yeah.
so cute.
Big horse, guys.
Yeah, he's
Right in the middle of
so
the city.
Cute.
Okay?
Yeah, look at him.
Yeah.
So good and good.
Okay,
so
gotta go,
soft.
Noah. We gotta go.
Alright.
Let's keep hunting birds right here, okay?
Bye-bye, horse. I love you so much.
Beautiful
You're
horse,
so
right?
Fluffy.
Nice.
Hey, what? If we go over there, we fall down and that's it.
No, we don't wanna fall down, Noah, because they are a platform there. Show the guys the platform. There's a platform right there. Hold it.
Yeah.
Platform right there. And
Yeah.
we're gonna stand up there. And
Yeah.
from the top, we're gonna see
Yeah.
if we can catch, you know, the birds with the camera. All right? Look at all the birds in front. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Walk carefully. Go ahead. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Quiet. There, look. See? And his name is look at it, the white one. Stop. Yes, we're gonna get them. I hope you enjoy the whole footage, the shot of the beautiful animals around here in the city next or around the Rivera dos Toledos. Okay, Noah, what we saw, what animal we saw?
We saw ducky, we saw bird, we saw everything.
Capybaras.
Capybaras, yeah.
Everything, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so what we try to do is capture as much as possible, you know, from the nature right around the creek or Rivera dos Toledos here in Santa Bárbara do Oeste, the interior of the Sao Paulo, Brazil. And to let you know, you guys, that they have life even where the human is before was life. So you know what to do, guys. You got to take care of the natural environment. And Noah, what you got to say for the people?
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.
Don't forget to subscribe, guys, if you are new. And let everyone, you know, and share with everyone the beauty of life, natural. All right, folks? Until the next time.
Yeah. Bye.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Star Brothers are playing an ambient song for dancing and shaking all night long.
Oh my god, this is so cool. How do I do this? Dad, that was